Your bathroom might have expensive marble, beautiful tile, designer fixtures, and a stunning vanity, but if the lighting is wrong, all of that luxury can disappear. In fact, lighting can completely change the way your bathroom looks. The same tile can appear dull. The same countertop can look cheap. And the same beautiful finishes can suddenly feel flat, cold, or strangely yellow. So today, we're breaking down exactly why your bathroom lighting may be killing the luxury vibe, and how to fix it without completely remodeling your bathroom. Light bulb 1. The biggest mistake. One light source. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes, relying on a single overhead light. One ceiling fixture might technically illuminate the bathroom, but it doesn't create a luxurious atmosphere. It creates flat lighting and harsh shadows. And when the light comes directly from above, your face can look tired, your vanity can look less polished, and beautiful architectural details can lose their depth. Luxury bathrooms don't depend on one light source. They use layers. Think of 3 levels: ambient lighting for overall illumination, task lighting for areas like the vanity and shower, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features, mirrors, niches, or beautiful materials. This layered approach creates depth, and depth is one of the secrets behind expensive-looking interiors. Thermometer 2. Your color temperature may be wrong. Next, let's talk about color temperature. This is one of the easiest ways to accidentally make a luxury bathroom look cheap. Lighting that is extremely cool can make a bathroom feel sterile and blue. But lighting that's too warm can make white surfaces look yellow or muddy. For many residential bathrooms, a balanced warm to neutral white can create a much more sophisticated appearance. The exact choice depends on your finishes and the mood you're trying to create. If your bathroom has warm stone, beige tile, or natural wood, slightly warmer lighting can enhance those materials. If you have crisp white tile or cooler gray finishes, you may want something more neutral. The goal isn't simply to choose the warmest bulb. The goal is to choose a temperature that works with your materials. Paint palette 3. High-CRI changes how your materials look. Now here's the technical detail that many homeowners completely overlook: CRI, or Color Rendering Index. CRI describes how accurately a light source reveals colors compared with a reference light source. And this matters enormously in a bathroom. Why? Because your bathroom contains surfaces with subtle colors and textures. Think about marble veining, natural stone, wood, paint, metal finishes, even your skin tone. A poor quality light source can make these colors look dull or distorted. A high-CRI light source can reveal much more natural and accurate color. So if you've spent thousands of dollars on beautiful materials, don't let poor quality lighting hide what you paid for. Your lighting should show off your finishes, not fight them. Mirror 4. Your mirror lighting matters more than you think. Now let's talk about the vanity. This is where lighting becomes both a design feature and a practical necessity. A single light directly above your mirror can create strong shadows underneath your eyes, nose, and chin. It might be bright, but bright doesn't automatically mean good. Instead, think about balanced illumination around the face. Vertical fixtures positioned beside the mirror can help provide more even light. A backlit mirror can also create a beautiful ambient glow. And if your bathroom has a large architectural mirror, carefully placed lighting can make the entire vanity wall feel more sophisticated. The goal is simple: illuminate the person, not just the mirror. Sparkles. 5. Stop ignoring your architectural details. Here's where you can create that real luxury hotel feeling. Don't use every light simply to illuminate the room. Some lights should exist to highlight the architecture. For example, install subtle lighting underneath a floating vanity. Add concealed illumination inside a shower niche. Use soft lighting around architectural details. or highlight a beautiful stone wall. These lights don't need to be extremely bright. In fact, they're usually more effective when they're subtle. You're creating layers of light and shadow. And that contrast makes materials look richer and more dimensional. Shower 6. Shower lighting needs a different approach. The shower is another area where lighting can dramatically change the experience. Instead of placing one harsh light directly over your head, think about how the light interacts with the walls and surfaces. A well-positioned recessed fixture can provide functional illumination. Meanwhile, subtle accent lighting can emphasize a stone wall or shower niche. The result feels much more intentional. But remember, bathroom lighting fixtures must be appropriately rated for their location and installed according to local electrical and building requirements. Luxury should always start with safety. Remember, you don't always need more expensive materials to make your bathroom look luxurious. Sometimes, you simply need to light the materials you already have correctly. Because luxury isn't just about marble. It's about how beautifully your entire space is experienced. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury interior design ideas, 2026 home trends, and designer-level decorating tips. See you in the next video.